This is the installation, usage and maintenance video for Inox Baltic's milk dispenser. The main parts of this appliance are the drip tray, the compressor, the refrigerator, the dispensing unit, the power button, the thermostat, the fixing angle, and the power cord. The appliance is used to dispense and preserve milk. It can hold either 10 or 20-liter milk boxes. The fixing angle is for the marine version of the milk dispenser to prevent the appliance from moving back and forth as well as sideways. Screw the fixing angle on the surface with 2 screws and secure the appliance to it. To remove the appliance, lift it up. Put the appliance in place and remove the protecting film from all surfaces. Release the power cord and plug it in. The power outlet is 220 volts and 50 Hz. Turn the appliance on. Once powered on, the appliance will take 3 minutes until the temperatures will start to drop. The thermostat shows the temperature of the appliance. The factory preset is at 5 degrees, which is the optimal temperature for preserving milk. The appliance can be used once it has reached its working temperature. The temperature can be changed by holding on the leftmost button and pushing the upward or downward arrow buttons. The selected temperature will be set when the buttons are released. The dispensing unit consists of 3 parts. The tap cover, which can be removed like this and is held in place by a magnet. The fixing with the tabs to hold it in place, and the tap. The tap is removable and therefore washable and replaceable. It can be removed by unscrewing the 2 hand screws that are on the sides of the tap. The drip tray is removable, washable and replaceable as well. To avoid milk flowing to the tip of the bag, place the box so that the bag comes out from the top. The fixing tabs are then placed through the holes in the bag. Note the direction of the fixing. The tabs must be facing upward. Once the fixing is attached, it is tightly secured and does not fall off. Open the refrigerator and place the box inside. Put the fixing tabs into the holes and pull it down to fix. Cut the bag and place the cover. The cover holds the fixing in place. The appliance is ready for use and the milk can be dispensed into the glass by pushing the glass against the tap. Please do not power off the machine while the milk is inside, otherwise the refrigerator won't be powered on and the milk will spoil. Additionally to the regular washing of the tap and the drip tray, the dust filter has to be washed as well. The dust filter is located on the right side of the appliance. This particular model does not have the filter service door, but some models have the option. For this model, the back panel can be removed by unscrewing the 4 screws. Before removing the filter, make sure you power off and unplug the machine for safety. If the filter is not too dirty, the filter can also be cleaned by vacuuming it through the side of the appliance. If the filter is dusty, make sure to remove the filter through the door. The filter looks like this and can be rinsed under the water in the sink. After rinsing the filter, make sure it is clean and dry, put it back to its place and close the door.